In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off your auto download of images, audios, voices and videos in your Signal application. It works just like WhatsApp and you can control if you want your media to be auto downloaded or not. So, for this first you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi or the data, whatever you are using, is enabled. So open your Signal application. When your Signal application is open, go to the settings. When your setting panel is on your screen, you can see different options here. Here there is an option for data and storage. Go to it. When the option of data and storage is open, you will see the media auto downloaded option here. By using this, you can control the auto download of images, videos here. So go to the first option, which is about when using mobile data. This is about the mobile data, if you want to auto download your images or videos by your mobile data or not. You can select any of it. If you want your images to get auto downloaded, you have to mark the checkbox. If you want your audios to get auto downloaded, you have to mark the checkbox too. Select OK. Here there is a second option which is about when using Wi-Fi. Go to it. You can also select whatever you want to auto download from your Wi-Fi settings. If you want your images to get auto download from Wi-Fi, you can mark the checkbox here too. Select OK. So that's how you can change and manage your auto download settings in your Signal application. Thank you.